pizza vegetable sandwich is ready. So as you can see, it's nice. So even if you don't have an oven, no worries. You can use your DIY. See, it's nicely melted. Also the mozzarella, it was completely covered the flatbread on the top. This is very healthy, quick also, and easy to make. And happy Thursday to everyone and good afternoon. And today I'm gonna make a quick lunch. So I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my version of vegetable shawarma sandwich, or we can also say pizza vegetable sandwich. And for this, I'm gonna use this kind of bread. Actually, in Middle East, for the shawarma, they are using this one. It's a flat bread. It's made of wheat flour. So I'm gonna use this. And since it is vegetables, we're gonna use only vegetables. Since it is a vegetable sandwich, of course, we only use vegetables. So I have here some mushroom, tomato, capsicum, and onion. And aside from this, we're gonna use also some of the cilantro. This is only for the garnishing. And we're gonna use some mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. We'll use this. And pizza sauce. And some butter.
And pizza sauce.
Yes. So now,
we need to get...
Please join us.
Get.
So now our pan is heated up. We have to put our butter. Gonna put our butter.
You get Mama so hot for me.
Yes. So now we have to melt this one first, and then we can add our onion.
No, please, no.
My daughter is scared of onion.
No, it doesn't burn my
It's burn her eyes. And after this, actually, we also need Indian spices, because this is Indian style.
It's not burning at all.
And now, this is our onions is already translucent. Now it's time to put our tomato. So let's just cook our tomato until it becomes soft. Then we can put our capsicum. So we just have to put salt, so it will cook faster. Just a little bit of salt. And just mix well. And now, followed by capsicum. And mushroom. If you want to put also meat, you can also put some shredded chicken or ham or sausage. So it just depends on you what meat you want to put. Or pepperoni. But this time I just want to have it just veggies. And now it's time to put our Indian spices. I have here Indian powder spices. Now it's time for us to put this one. Or if you don't want Indian spices, of course you can make like a Filipino style. You don't have to add those Indian spices. Or maybe you can add something which is available in Philippines. Or any powder. So now we can add our red chili powder. Coriander powder. And our turmeric powder. I'm sure in Philippines there are some store which is available for Indian spices. I don't know where to get it, but I'm sure there is. And here, garam masala. And we need chaat masala. This is chaat masala I have. So we need some of this. And we can add our salt. We already have it added earlier, so we add some. And just give a good mix. So leave it for some time until all our veggies will get soft and cooked. This is done now. Our vegetables is done. So we have to switch off the gas. So I have this baking tray. Okay, and then this is the bread. We have to put it this. And then we're gonna put some piso sauce. So sorry, it's a mess. So just have to spread it nicely. So like this. Since I don't have an oven, so I'm using my DIY oven. So now after this, we can put this one, our vegetables. We have to put our vegetables in. And we can put lots of shredded mozzarella. Loaded of cheese. So we just had to add this. And now, one more we have to cover because it is a sandwich. So again, we have to put this on the top. We have to put some on the top. Here. So this is how it looks like. Ta-da! So now we have to bake this. So now we have such a big, what do you call this? Saucepan, or I don't know, vessels. And there's a salt inside. Now we can put our stainless stand. Sorry. We can put our stainless stand in here, and we can put this one inside. And then cover it. So let's just cook this until all the cheese will get melted. And now let's check our sandwich, pizza sandwich. So now as you can see, all it's melted, our mozzarella on the top, so it's ready. So now we have to remove this from the pan. So we have to, so now it is very hot. So this is ready. Perfect. And now we can add our cilantro or coriander leaves on the top. And let's have a cut. We have to cut our, see, as you can see, it's crunchy as well. It's very nice. Our pizza vegetable sandwich is ready. So as you can see, it's nice. So even if you don't have an oven, no worries. You can use your DIY. See, it's nicely melted. Also the mozzarella, it was completely covered the flatbread on the top. This is very healthy, quick also, and easy to make. So guys, this is the recipe that I could able to share with you. This is perfect for lunch or even dinner. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.
And